Hi guys, Michelle here, the Insulin Empress, with just a quick video on belly fat and visceral fat. I just watched a video on YouTube by a gentleman that I respect very much, but I do not always agree with him. And he was talking about how visceral fat and belly fat deposition is basically based on genetics and epigenetics and a bunch of bullshit. So I wanted to come on here and do a quick little video and let you know insulin tells your body to store fat. Your other hormones tell your body where to store fat. So if you're storing belly fat, like the kind that you can pinch and jiggle, that's by high insulin. So high insulin directly causes the belly flat that you see here. Belly fat, not belly flat. If you have a lot of thigh and butt and upper arm fat, that is caused by high levels of estrogen or estrogen dominance. If you have a lot of visceral fat, so guys that have a really hard belly but is protruding, that means that they have fat on the inside underneath their muscles, and that is caused by androgens, the male hormones. If you have a lot of fat around your face or your back, or just your upper body in general, where your legs are skinny and your butt is skinny, that's high cortisol. So these other hormones tell the body where to store the fat, while insulin tells the body to store fat. So if you have both of these elevated, then you can see fat deposition in those specific areas depending on what hormones are present. So I hope that helps. I almost forgot. The authority on fat cells that I trust is Dr. Ben Bikman. He is a fat scientist. He's actually an insulin and fat scientist, and he talks about fat cells and how they get stored and what affects their location of storage. And I'll see if I can find the link and share it with you guys. He's excellent when it comes to insulin and fat cells and stuff like that. So I'll post a link in the description so you guys can check him out.